Okay, we're going to learn to build a rockin' YouTube video intro, and these just look more professional, and there's a sample down below what we're going to try to build. And what you're going to need is Camtasia, first of all, and you also need a video loop, which is easy to find, and we'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. And then you're going to need just a little imagination. So let's begin and start with Camtasia. So I've got Camtasia opened here. And the first thing we're going to do is actually go to a website to get a video loop, and movietools.info is where we're going here. And these loops have been around for a while, so go to that URL, and I'll put those in the description as well so you can link there. So you go to video background loops, and then you can pick from various types of loops, and I like the high-tech loops, so we'll click on that, and you'll get a bunch of options loaded that you may have seen on YouTube already, because people do use these. There's the one I used for my intro on this video. And for our demonstration, we're going to use this blue tunnel because I've already downloaded it. But I'm going to click on that. You just click right on the picture. And then you're given the option to preview it, but you can also just download it. So I'm going to click download, and it'll show up down below downloading that file there. Now I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to go right to Camtasia now, and I'm going to import media. That's at the top there on Camtasia, and I'm going to find that video loop, click on that, and so you're importing this into Camtasia. And now you just got to drag it into track 1 here. And these are standard definition, that's why they're free, but they still look great. So I expand the size of it. You move it to the start of the timeline, and I drag these to the corner, right? Because you want it to look full screen. So beauty. So there's your video. Now you're going to want something, because that'll just stream the picture you see there. You want some text because it's a title intro, right, to your YouTube video. So you got to put a title in. And in Camtasia, you go into callouts, text, as we've done there, and we'll fade that in a bit. And then you just type in what you want your title to be. So this is my awesome YouTube intro. And since it's blue, the video loop, we're going to make this white, contrasting, and we want to make this a little larger, so we're going full size font size. And you can change the text, the type of font, and I also like this shadow effect, so click on effects and load shadow up. And you're also going to want to make this fit, since let me drag this forward a bit so we can see the text. There it is. So it's not fitting properly right now, so we'll just drag the box until that fits nicely. And there you go. So you already could produce and share this, and it would look great. But we want to add a little bit more text. So you click on callouts again, text. The T is text, and it actually defaults to the same wording, but we're going to change it to actually my website address, localsearchcanada.com, and it's going to actually pop right on top of the other one, so we want to move that, and we'll resize it again. And so this is more of a subtitle, so I'm going to first change the color of it. So you got to highlight the whole area. We'll change it to yellow, and we'll make this a little smaller than the main title. Make it bold. Click on bold there, and then we'll make it a little bit bigger, and that looks pretty good. So yeah, and I'll center that. So this looks this will look good, but it's also good to add some sound. So I'm going to hit the plus sign and add another track. Go to the library and just use some of the audio that comes right with, depending on what version of Camtasia you have. But this is just stock audio, and drag that audio to the front, and I'm going to clip it at the end, right at the end of the video. If I can find the end of the video. So we'll clip that and just delete the end of the audio. And this is pretty much done now. We're going to play it, and I'll make it widescreen, full screen, so you can see it. So this doesn't look too bad, and it's pretty much done. Right now, and of course, if you've got more time, I'm doing a short video, you can jazz it up, where the words pop up and all that sort of stuff, different fonts. So now all you do is produce and share this, and we're going to make it high def 720. Save it, and so this is going to generate the video, and you're going to use this clip in your videos now. And I've took out some of the weighting that it generates, and it's done. So now you just got to import this video clip, import media, and you're done. So to summarize, video loops can be found anywhere. I would check YouTube, just type in video loops and you'll find some. And you can do this on MS Movie Maker as well, so it doesn't have to be Camtasia. So thanks for watching, and check out our other videos on, we got some on YouTube, WordPress, Weebly, Google, and more. So would love a thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe by clicking this button. So thanks again.